Hi, my name is Luke Feliz, aka Vertical MTV, and this is my NS Bikes Eccentric that I'll be racing here at Santos today for the state finals. So let's start off with the back of the bike. It's got Shimano BRXT with a 1146 cassette. It has Stram ZX cranks 170 with the GXP bottom bracket. It has racing structure pedals, a Hope seat clamp, a Brand X Ascend dropper post, and Orbea saddle, unknown of the name. Second off, we have Altera wheels, and we have Maxxis DHF tires. Let's move to the front of it. So this is where everything's done. So we have PSI grips. We have Shimano ST shifter. You see, you only have to have one clip and it actuates it, so that's why I like it over the SR. We have Avid DB3 brakes, front and rear. We have a RockShox Lyric 4, and we custom painted it with Louis Vuitton graphics. I'm running 180 rotors up front, 160 in the back. This, I have my stem and bars are both Race Face Stravada. These are 700 mil wide because I'm a short kid. So this is 150 millimeters of travel. Yeah, so I'm running a Bond Treasure, a bike computer. It really helps with a lot of things, and like timer, distance, average and max speed, calories, etc. Yeah, that's Tony.